Are you thinking about buying the PurePod Produce Cleaner? This viral gadget has been getting a lot of attention online with claims that it can remove pesticides, wax, bacteria, and other contaminants from fruits and vegetables in just 10 minutes using only water. It sounds impressive. But before you decide to spend your money on it, there are some important things you should know. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. One of the biggest selling points in PurePod advertisements is the dirty-looking water shown after the cleaning process. The marketing often suggests that this brown or cloudy water is proof that pesticides and harmful substances have been removed from your fruits and vegetables. However, there is a problem with that claim. Similar color changes can occur even when no produce is placed in the water at all. This is because electrolysis-based devices can react with minerals and impurities already present in ordinary tap water. So, the appearance of dirty water alone is not reliable evidence that pesticides have actually been removed. Another concern is the strength of the product's claims. PurePod suggests that it can remove pesticides, wax coatings, and bacteria more effectively than regular washing. While that sounds appealing, there appears to be very limited independent scientific evidence publicly available proving that this specific device consistently outperforms proper rinsing under clean running water. Most food safety guidelines already recommend thoroughly washing produce before eating it. The company's transparency is another area buyers may want to examine carefully. Information about the people behind the brand, long-term company history, and independent product testing appears limited. While this does not automatically mean the product is illegitimate, it can make it harder for consumers to verify the credibility of the claims being made. Finally, the marketing itself uses several tactics commonly seen with viral online gadgets, including heavy discounts, limited-time offers, countdown timers, and aggressive social media advertising. These strategies can create urgency and encourage impulse purchases before buyers have had time to research the product properly. At the end of the day, PurePod may function as a produce cleaning device, but many of its larger marketing claims still lack strong independent verification. If you're considering buying one, take the time to research carefully, compare alternatives, and avoid relying solely on dramatic advertising demonstrations before making a decision.